Hey, my name is Ken with Unparalleled Houston Homes. Today I'm going to be showing you what you can get for $1 million in Houston, Texas. We're going to be going over the amenities, the HOA taxes, and incentives. So be sure to watch to the end of the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you guys are planning on buying, selling, or relocating, you know who to call. Let's go check it out. Walk with me. This model is called the Ashby. It's a 2-story, 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 5,200 square feet, priced at $1 million. For incentive, they're giving away a free subscribe button, so make sure you guys smash that. But for real, you're gonna get $10,000 back for your closing costs. As for taxes, you're looking at 3.14%, and HOA is $1,310 a year. Don't be afraid about the tax rate being too high, because you can apply for homestead exemption, which is gonna reduce your tax rate between 15 to 20%. As for schools, we have Donald Elementary School, Ronald Middle School, and Ridge Point High School. We're gonna leave the stats here for you guys. We arrived at the next home. Let's go check it out. Walk with me. This home is called the Castilian. What do you guys think about it? Do you guys like the first home more or the second home? Let me know in the comments down below. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 4,600 square feet. For a model similar to this, you're looking around $1.2 million. For incentives, they're giving $20,000 for builder upgrades and $6,000 for closing costs. Which one would you guys pick? Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. What does $1 million get in your state? If you guys are planning on buying, selling, or relocating to the Houston area, our team would love to help out. Unparalleled Houston Homes, out.